Okay, we're doing our grand opening of our Happymodel delivery. Let's see what's in here. You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll cut it open from the bottom. Careful.
Oh yeah. Drone packages.
Okay,
So many.
pull them out. Okay, what do we have here?
Let me open them.
Oh, no, you can't take everything out, okay? What you can do actually is you can pass them to me one by one, okay?
Okay.
So here we have the Crux V2. I'm just going to take a look at it and see if anything's different.
Stickers.
Yeah, the stickers are not for us.
But
okay.
it said I can have stickers.
Yeah. Comes with the props. Let's see this. Yeah, I'm excited for this board. I think the board, oh, you know what? I think they beefed it up a little bit. I'm going to be right back. I just got to check the old board. Don't open those if it's the same, Avery.
But I gotta look.
Here, let me see. This is another Crux 35. Okay.
This one?
Just one sec. So they actually, see, the way that this was designed before, it would always crack right here. So the nice thing is they redesigned this so it's stronger, and it can take it looks like it can take a 25 by 25 and a 20 by 20, which it did before. It's basically the same, except that they beefed it up here and here, which is good. So this might actually last a bit longer. It has the same BTX, the OBX 303, and now we have, with the way that this is designed, it'll probably be even easier. You won't even have to remove the plugs anymore. Will I be able to do it? Yeah, you know what? I think that without even undoing the plugs, I think we'll still be able to fit it inside a 15 millimeter standoffs. We just might have to tweak a couple things. Very nice. It looks like their straps are a little bit better too. Here we have the Mobula Digital HD. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, that should do an unboxing. Comes with an extra. That's very exciting. I don't know what that does.
But you got so many.
No. We'll do an unboxing. Figure that out. Okay. Up here we have my little motors.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can!
Only fits certain
Just
batteries.
do it!
Don't eat too much of that, Avery. You have to eat dinner.
What is dinner?
I don't know, salmon and stuff. Okay. Got a lot of those. We got props. More props. These. 0702s for our tiny whoops. These Crux 35 props. And then we got in here EP2. We got our pre-installed V3 Foyujuns. And this is going to go on my digital build, the EP1 Dual. So that should give a better signal and not lose my drone. Does this have an SPI on it? Hopefully that's a UART. Then we got a Mobula 71S. This is for someone else. See ya.
Bye.
Give mommy a hug and kiss. So I got a few of these tiny things, because I'm going to try one more time to fly these little guys. And if I can't get them to fly nice, that is that.